welding discontinuities or welding defects. Let's just say welding defects to keep it short. Okay, there's a couple things that you have to look out for. So it all depends on what type of welding you're doing, because in each field you have a different allowance, depends on what the situation is. So in this one right here, we got porosity. So you see long arc, dirty metal base, inadequate gas coverage. So it's a couple things that can form this, and actually you can get this when you stick welding, but most definitely when you wire welding. When you wire welding and you're using gas, this here can be an issue. Like when you're running out of gas, it could be an issue if the metal, like I say, is dirty or contaminated. But those are just some things to keep an eye out on, to like, man, what I need to check. There goes some undercut. And I remember this one job I was on when I first jumped into the field and started doing a lot of field welding. This was a big no-no on a lot of jobs, because the guy always stressed that this can weaken the existing metal. You know, it's like putting a weld and then gouging a side into it where it still can make this piece weaker. You see what I'm saying? You got this kind of blended in. And a lot of times this will come from your angle, your travel speed being too fast. As you see, you got a few different things that it'll tell you. And it'll come from your heat. So it's a few things that can cause that, but this is most definitely something you want to look out for, even in the shop. You know, like I say, everything has different allowances. I have seen different products that have a lot of undercut, but it wasn't no pressure or nothing like that on it. So, but I would like to try to make mine look as best as possible. But like I say, the goal is just to get better and to recognize what's going wrong. There go another one. We got incomplete fusion on this one. Zoom in so you can see the causes and the cures. And a lot of that can be from not having it hot enough. You see how you got the penetration here, but you don't really have none here. You know, so you know, if the metal was hot enough, it would have fused there too. You know, so there's a few things that you have to look at for that. I always say, you know, to me, I resemble welding like driving. You know, you have a automatic and you have a stick shift, but both you have to learn how to drive each one. So, you know, when you're driving doing certain welding, like stick welding, I call that an automatic 3-speed. I call it a 3-speed because normally it's 3 things you can always keep in mind and everything will be going good. So it's just something to think about. And then when you're TIG welding, it's kind of like, you know, you're using your foot in some instance where you got the pedal and you have your rod and you got your piece. So it's kind of like you're doing a few different things at one time. So here go another one. Incomplete joint penetration. Zoom in on that so you can check that out. Get that piece of brass off of here. So I need to get another one of these. I'm gonna actually tape this up because it's kind of tearing up. I want you to check that out real good. And like I say, this comes from a few different things, as you see. You know, your current, it being cold, your travel speed is too slow or too fast. You know, so it's something to look at here, because when you're taking a test, you most definitely want to burn into this plate here. So, you know, when they testing you, if this is not complete, then you ain't got complete joint. That most definitely can make you fail a weld test. So that's something to look out for. Okay, right here we got excessive reinforcements. So it's like it's kind of like, you know, you're going way too slow, or it's cold, as you see what they say. I've seen a lot of wells like that in the field. Some people think they got to put more than what is needed a lot of times, you know. And here go a good one. Here goes some underfed, man. Check this one out. I've seen this a lot. This is a no-no. You want to make sure you fill that up. I'm going to zoom back so y'all can see all of this because I think I'm about to run out of space on my video. So I want